Hello everyone and welcome back to the LEYF YouTube channel. My name is Ricky and today we're looking at a creative activity that we are calling the LEYF Monsters. Now it's time to go and collect your leaves. Now this can also be turned into a really fun game to do with the children. For example, a walk to the local shops. How many leaves can we find in that time? But also, where do we find them? Do they have a flower attached to them? Are they on that large oak tree? Or has the wind blown them to the ground? Once you've collected all your leaves, it's time to start creating your LEYF monsters. During this, it gives us the perfect opportunity to open up concepts in relation to similarities and differences with the children. For example, these two leaves, very similar shape, are both green, but how can we use these to talk about differences? For example, this leaf here is a mottled colour. It's not solid green, where this one is. The shades are different. So green is a great word, but how about introducing new words such as pistachio, shamrock or emerald? Also, these two leaves, again, very similar, but they make different noises. Because this leaf has a smooth edge, it doesn't make a loud noise. Because this leaf has a ridged edge, it does. We can also explore the natural world in relation to how it compares to us as people. For example, this leaf has one dominant vein that's quite clear to see, where this leaf has multiple veins. So we can compare that and say, well, we have veins. How does that help us live? So, without further ado, let's start creating our LEYF monsters. Your LEYF monster. All you need is a leaf, some googly eyes. Now if you don't have these at home, you can just make them out of paper and your glue stick. So what you now need to do is select the eye of choice, put some glue on the back of the eye and place it on your leaf. It is that simple. Now with this activity, we're allowing the children to make their own choices in their play, placing the googly eye wherever they wish, because it's their monster and their creation. See, all done. Now I've created my LEYF monster, I'm going to make it into a LEYF monster puppet. So by turning it over and selecting a kebab skewer, alternatively a lollipop stick, I'm going to place it on the back of the leaf, keep it in place by using some masking tape. So pushing down firmly, and I've created a LEYF monster puppet. I hope you enjoyed that video today and had an amazing time creating your very own LEYF monsters. If you're requiring further content, please comment below. If not, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.